this annual event is actually a very important one for me. As you know, most of our CIOs will lead very busy lives, and this kind of forums is a great opportunity to learn what is going on in the industry, where are the innovations, what are the future thinkers, what are the trends and projections that are happening, how is technology influencing people's lives.
First of all, we're very active in the area of CIOs and giving advice to CIOs, and in that area we've teamed up with CIOnet to actually develop further relationships, to strengthen the relationships with CIOs on the one hand, but also in a format to provide evidence, to provide new ideas, new thoughts which are relevant to CIOs.
For us it's really important to have a sounding board with the customers that enables us to provide good solutions to our customers and make it a two-way communication in order for us to get a feeling on what's important in the markets.
Accenture's strategy is all about helping companies in Belgium going digital, embracing the digital innovations, and I think that CIOnet offers us a platform to discuss with CIOs that are in an innovative spirit on these subjects.
As a member of CIOnet, it's important to us to meet the CIOs, because we are most used to meet the IT managers or the buyers, but more and more we have to build new solutions with the CIOs.
We can absorb, let's say, what's going on in the local market, and by that, let's say, we can switch and present our services later on to those people.
There's a lot of feedback from the community towards the service providers. We get to know what's on the CIO's mind, and that's really important to us.
We believe that these type of events where CIOs can come together and discuss openly and frankly about innovative topics is really a good initiative to take and to support.
The events are great and permit us as a company, we're a provider of a software product which is protects sensitive data, to make networking, socializing with persons, very important persons, and having the opportunity to moving forward in our business.
It's a quality network, so they organize quality events. It's not that commercial, and we have a lot of interesting contacts.
It's clear for us that we need to be close to the client, listen to the client to understand what their future needs will be and how we can adopt as a partner to fulfill those needs in the future.